Welcome to Day 2, the Digital Vault for Fearless Creation. This video provides a beginner's guide to Microsoft Copilot data protection for your enterprise. You want to build things fast, and rapid AI generation is key. Real business data requires a strict safety net, and Microsoft Copilot builds that net. Public AI tools can scatter your data, taking your private prompts and learning from your secrets. They often share your information with others through a permeable wall. Microsoft builds an impermeable vault around your data. Microsoft 365 Copilot works inside this vault, reading your prompts securely so your data never leaves your company. With free public AI, the AI learns from your data, which sits in the public cloud, and they own the inputs. With Microsoft 365 Copilot, you own the inputs, the AI ignores your data, and your data stays inside your vault. The 3 rules of the shield are: Microsoft keeps your data inside your company, does not train models on your data, and respects your existing file permissions. Find the shield icon before you type. It confirms your vault is locked and activates enterprise data protection. You can now create without fear. Draft private documents in Microsoft Word. Paste a private meeting transcript, and Copilot reads it safely to write a clear executive summary. Analyze sensitive numbers in Microsoft Excel. Upload private sales data, and Copilot analyzes the numbers locally, building a clean chart without leaking data. Design secure presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Select a confidential strategy document, and Copilot designs a professional slide deck. External systems never see your strategy. Ground the AI in your specific files. Type a / in the chat box. Select a private internal file, and Copilot answers questions using only that file. Take the 30-minute test today. Pick a real, repeatable task. Check your screen for the shield icon and write a clear prompt using real company data. Security creates ultimate freedom. The vault protects your data, and the shield guarantees your privacy. You can code with absolute confidence.